Hi, and welcome to this weekly edition of Simple, Smart and Sexy. Today, we are going to unmask what simplicity means and how to apply it to your business. Leonardo da Vinci said some 500 years ago that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and his phrase is still valid to explain what this concept means. Simplicity also implies beauty, clarity, freshness, and as Occam Razor said, all things being equal, the simplest theory is the one most likely to be true. So really, it's about focusing on what's important and disregarding or avoiding what's not. In these complex times that we live in, we have less time to do more things. So as consumers, we embrace and pay premium prices for everything and anything that will make our lives simpler. Which means we avoid, we react, and we hate things like small print or lengthy product descriptions or long forms to fill or an overwhelming number of products to choose from. On the contrary, we buy simplicity in design, in speech, the less, the shorter, the most transparent speech, the better, in clothing, in retail spaces, and also we like simple people, transparent, beautiful, just uncomplicated. So in summary, if you want to apply the concept of simplicity to your business, think about sophistication and try to apply it to your business approach. Beauty and apply it to design, from product design to graphic design to retail space design. Clarity to all communications, especially to marketing communications. Freshness to retail spaces, truth and transparency at all levels and at all times. So if you want more information on how to apply the simple concept to your business, just visit my website. For now, just remember, be simple, be smart, be sexy, and have a super week. See you next Tuesday.